Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I find that very often my cats drive me crazy because they walk around the house being very bored. I decided to try out this great cat toy. This is from DeeNiner and it's provided lots of entertainment for my cats. So the toy is completely rechargeable, which is a really nice feature. You don't have to worry about batteries, and it has lots of things that will keep them entertained. So it has a nice cute feather on top. It also has a feather that sticks out the sides. It has two balls inside the really soft, rounded edges of this plastic piece. And the best part that they love is the laser toy. The laser toy is not something that you have to manually operate, but rather you push the button and it will easily go and around and provide entertainment so they can follow it. If the cats walk away and they are not interested anymore, then it automatically shuts off, which also conserves the battery. So it's really such a great toy that provides lots of entertainment. My little cat especially has a lot of fun chasing around that laser. And like I said, when she's done with it, it just goes off automatically. When you're ready to recharge it, it comes with the cord that you need so that you can easily recharge it, and it's recharged within a few hours and it's ready to go for the next time. You do want to pay attention because the buttons have different options, so don't think that it's broken when you first get it. The power on and off button also adds in some functions to the piece. But overall, my cats love this toy. They've been having lots of fun playing with it, and that's my point of view.